So hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will learn about derivatives. Derivatives is nothing but a small change or a small difference in between the two given values. It is given by the formula letter D. D means small change and delta means change, large change. Students get confused in between D and delta. So let's remove this confusion. D means just small change and delta means large change. Therefore, dx upon dt is equal to derivative of x with respect to time t. V. V means velocity. Velocity is equal to dx upon dt. Change in velocity and change upon change in time. And acceleration is given by the formula derivative of v upon derivative of t, which is equal to change in velocity, hold this, upon change in time. Also, v is equal to dx upon dt for small change. It gives velocity at the moment a particular time. And if v is equal to delta x upon delta t for large change, it is for large change, delta means large change, it gives velocity of a particular time period. So since now you have understood what is meant by derivatives, so let's solve some examples. Given that x is equal to t cube minus t square, we have to find v at t is equal to 2 seconds. So let's find it. V is equal to dx upon dt. For finding the derivative, just take these three outside here, 3, and subtract my 3 minus 1. Subtract 1 from the power. We get, and here also 2, we took the power outside, 2 into t remains the same, and subtracting 1, 2 minus 1, which will give us the answer as 3t square minus 2t raised to 1. And now we put the t is equal to 2 second in this, which gives us 3 into 2 square minus 2 into 2, which gives us 3 into 4 minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8, which gives us a final answer as 8. Therefore, v is equal to 8 meters per second. We know that the velocity is 7, it is meter per second. Now let's solve another question. Given that x is equal to 4t raised to 4 plus t raised to 6, we have to find volume at t is equal to 3 seconds. Therefore, v is equal to dx upon dt, which is equal to 4 into 4. No matter what this number is, we just took it outside and we have to find the derivative of whole this and multiply it with 4. So let's we took 4 outside into t and subtracting 1 from the power plus 66 minus 1, which gives us 4 for the 16 t cube plus 6t raised to 5. This is the final derivative. Now we put t is equal to 3 second in this, which gives us 16 into 3 cube plus 6 into 3 raised to 5, which gives us 16 into 27 plus 6 into 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 56, sorry 63, 9 2s are 18, 19 20 24, 243. Upon calculating all of this, 432 plus, we get the final 432 plus 1458, which is equal to 1890 meters per second, which is a very big velocity for us. Now, there is a homework question for all of you, which is x is equal to t raised to 4 minus t raised to 2. We have to find volume, velocity at t is equal to 4 seconds. This is for homework. Now let's go to this next question. Now here, given that velocities is given by the equation 6t square minus 3t plus 2, and we have to find acceleration is equal to question at t is equal to 3 seconds. So let's find it. A is equal to dv upon dt. Therefore 6 into 2t, 2 minus 1, subtracting 1 from the power and bringing power outside, here down, and here 3 into 1, here nothing in the power means here it is 1. 1 into t, 1 minus 1 plus 0. Ah, we took plus 0 because any number without any variable will be 0. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 6 minus, it will always remain 0 because since it has no value, so we took 0, and the final answer will be 6 to the 12, t raised to 1 minus 3 in 3, 3 only, because 1 minus 1 will be 0 and anything raised to 0 is 1. Therefore 3 into 1 is 1. Putting t is equal to 3 second in it, we get minus 3, which is equal to 33 meters per second square acceleration value. Now this will also be a homework for all of you, but I will tell you how to solve it. We will first find the derivative of velocity, which is equal to dx upon, so let's solve it, nothing to be worried, which will be 7 into 3, 3 into t square plus 4 into 2t minus 2, which will give us the final answer. 7 3s are 21 t square plus 8t minus 2, which is equal to 21 t square plus 8t minus 2. Now just don't put 2 t is equal to 2 second here, because it will give us the velocity, not acceleration. Therefore we will do it again for acceleration, which is equal to dv upon dt, which is equal to 21 into 2t plus 8 into t 1 minus 1 minus 0, because since it is 2 which has no value, which is equal to 42t plus 8, anything raised to 0 is 0. Therefore 42 into 2 plus 8 is equal to 92 meters per second square. This is how we find the acceleration of this type of questions. Thank you.